Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing my journey, how from a small town in Haryana I went to AIIMS. And this video is my story and I'm sharing it because I believe that if I can do it, coming from a background having no medical knowledge and with no support, in a sense that there was no one to guide me what should I do. So if I can do it, then you can also do it. So ये मैं हूँ 9th क्लास में and how I became a radiology resident. Let's see. During my school days, what I used to do is hard work. My success mantra were consistency and hard work, and there was no one to guide me what should I do next. I was really confused. Even during 11th and 12th class, I was confused कि मेरे को बायोलॉजी लेनी चाहिए या फिर मैथ्स लेना चाहिए. So ultimately I took both, and now when I look back at that decision, it was a bit chaotic, but I trusted my own instinct, and when the class 12 results came, I secured first rank in Sonipat district in combined stream, and this was just the beginning. बट अभी मेरे पास ये क्ल्यू नहीं था कि आगे क्या किया जाए. देन समहाउ आई गोट टू नो अबाउट कोटा. सो एट दैट टाइम आई मेड अ बिग डिसीजन एंड इट वाज अ बोल्ड कॉल. आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी, माई MBBS जर्नी फ्रॉम कोटा सिटी. Actually, I took a drop here and went to Kota, but this wasn't easy. This wasn't easy at all because Kota is such a city where you are surrounded by thousands of students who are chasing the same dream. And I will share my hostel room pics. So these are my hostel room pics. मैं हाथ से नोट्स लिखता था, दीवार पे चिपकाता था, अलमीरा पे चिपकाता था और उनको पढ़ता रहता था. But there were times when I used to question myself. Am I really capable? And what if I never become what I am trying to be? Am I the one? But what I did? I didn't give up. I didn't give up and I stayed. I repeated, I practiced, I kept my head down, I kept studying, but I stayed till the last. And when NEET UG 2018 results came, I had secured an all India rank of 1384. मैं बायोलॉजी से बहुत डरता था उस टाइम पे कि मेरे को चीज़ें याद नहीं होती हैं. सो कोटा के उस एक साल में मैंने बायो को बहुत टाइम दिया एंड अल्टीमेटली मेरे सबसे ज़्यादा जो मार्क्स थे वो बायो में ही थे. सो विद दिस रैंक आई लैंडेड अप in MBBS in a government medical college, that is PGIMS Rohtak, and it is one of the most respected government medical colleges in Haryana. And during my MBBS also, I told myself that this is just the beginning. I gave everything I had, and in my MBBS journey I worked really hard and won several gold medals and was a university topper. But when I was receiving these gold medals, there was something inside me, and that was a dream कि मेरे को सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट में जाना है. एम्स दिल्ली जो है या PGI चंडीगढ़, मैं सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट में जाके पढ़ना चाहता था. बट मैं UG में नहीं कर पाया तो सोचा कि PG में करते हैं. सो फ्रॉम माई थर्ड प्रोफ ऑनवर्ड्स आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इट, एंड during these 2 years, third and final pro, I made my notes, and then came the internship. And let me tell you one thing, internship at PGIMS is not at all easy. It is hectic. So these are my notes, how I used to prepare my notes during internship times. I believe that one of the thing that has helped me a lot is concising the notes. सो मैं नोट्स अपने कंसाइज़ करता था कि जैसे मैंने अपनी माइक्रोबायोलॉजी है वो एक पेज पे कंसाइज़ कर रखी है, या फिर कुछ साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं ड्रग्स के, एंटी कैंसर ड्रग्स के, तो वो मैंने एक पेज पे कंसाइज़ करके मैं उनको दीवार पे या अलमीरा पे पेस्ट करके उनको पढ़ता रहता था। सो ड्यूरिंग इंटर्नशिप जब भी टाइम मिलता, एक पोस्टिंग के बीच में या फिर एक दिन का ब्रेक है या फिर एक पोस्टिंग से दूसरी पोस्टिंग के बीच में अगर टाइम मिल रहा है, तो आई यूज़ टू एक्सट्रैक्ट टाइम एंड देन केम द फाइनल पुश. My internship ended in February and I was preparing for May INICT 2024. So during those 2.5 months, I gave everything I had. But before I say anything about my journey ahead, I would like to thank my mentors who were always there, जिन्होंने मेरे को बहुत सपोर्ट किया. I mean, I used to watch their videos on YouTube. So first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Sumer Sethi sir and Dr. Dipti Bahal ma'am. They were extremely helpful to me. And Dr. Aditya Sanjay Gupta and Dr. Rishabh Jain, ये दो लोग ऐसे थे जिनको देख के मेरे को लगा कि हाँ यार, एम्स निकाला जा सकता है. एम्स इज़ नॉट दैट टफ. दे आर एम्स alumni, and Dr. Aditya Sanjay Gupta has done his MBBS, his PG and even DM in hemato-oncology from AIIMS Delhi, and Dr. Rishabh Jain has done his MBBS from AIIMS Delhi and MD Radiology from PGIMR Chandigarh. So now the internship got completed and I had a 2.5 months period to prepare for it, and I gave my 200%. I used to study every single day, 12 to 13 hours per day, every single day. My routine was I used to go to my college library. I used to study there, and then came the results. Initially, I was disappointed because I had secured an All India rank of 556. I was disappointed because I was expecting a better rank than this, but somehow I settled myself and I decided that I'll go for MD Psychiatry at AIIMS Jodhpur. So this was my dream, जो हमेशा से मेरे साथ था कि I will enter a central institute, I will work in a central institute. But let me tell you, I stayed at AIIMS Jodhpur for about 3 months, and whatever I learned there, the work culture, academics, discipline, patient care, everything was phenomenal. But this is not the happy ending. Side by side, there was one more thing going, and that was NEET PG 2024. So I was getting a 3 days off from my HOD, and one thing was that the exam center which I had selected was the same exam center as my friends. So due to these reasons, I convinced myself कि एक बार चलते हैं, नीट पीजी दे तो देते हैं, क्या दिक्कत है उसमें देने के लिए. So I went, I sat, I gave my exam, and then NEET results were announced, and I was literally not expecting this, and the result was I had secured an All India rank of 329. But this is not the ending. After I had secured an All India rank of 329, sorry. So I was faced with the biggest confusion कि whether should I stay at Jodhpur to continue my journey in psychiatry, or whether should I take radiology at my own UG college back at PGIMS Rohtak, which is even closer to my family, my friends, and also there was a feeling of comfort at PGIMS Rohtak because it was my UG college. मैं काफ़ी अवेयर था वहाँ के सराउंडिंग से, इन्वायरमेंट से, so it was like a home to me. So ultimately I chose radiology, and now I'm a second year JR at PGIMS Rohtak. So this was my journey. So I would like to share how I prepared, क्या क्या मेरे resources थे, कैसे मैंने प्रिपेयर किया नीट पीजी के लिए और INICT के लिए. So I will share everything here, and so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and do like, comment and share if you like the video, and please tell in the comments that where are you in your journey right now. Thank you.